The buzz surrounding Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy S26 Ultra is now reaching fever pitch as an ever-growing wave of leaks hits the web. New insider reports, images, and even leaked accessories are painting a clearer picture of what the next-generation Galaxy S26 flagship lineup will look like. The latest information highlights third-party camera protectors and protective cases, showcasing how accessory makers worldwide are gearing up for Samsung's most powerful smartphone. Yet, it's the kind of pre-launch excitement that turns casual fans into detectives and tech enthusiasts into night owls hunting for every pixel of leaked imagery. Closer look at the first Galaxy S26 Ultra accessories, according to prominent and reliable tipster at Universe. A new set of leaked photos provides a fresh and detailed glimpse of camera protection films for the upcoming Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra. The new accessories appear to align perfectly with the redesigned camera layouts that have surfaced in previous CAD renders, case listings, and prototype units. Leaked images indicate a subtle yet significant design evolution. For example, Samsung seems to be adopting a more unified camera island design for the standard S26 and S26 Plus models, offering users a cleaner and more refined look. Accessory manufacturers have already begun crafting single-piece camera protectors for these models, confirming the updated aesthetic direction. This seamless layout reinforces Samsung's goal of delivering both beauty and practicality, merging advanced engineering with minimalist appeal. Meanwhile, designs for the Galaxy S26 Ultra's protective cases are already turning heads online. These cases showcase sleek yet robust builds, blending style with impact resistance. Many versions include raised rims around the camera housing, acting as shields against scratches and accidental bumps. Others feature non-slip textures to enhance grip, a must-have for a device that's likely to cost more than your current laptop. The combination of matte finishes, metallic accents, and precise cutouts suggests that Samsung's partners are prioritizing both form and function. Galaxy S26 series launch timeline and pre-order bonuses. If the rumors are on target, Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S26 lineup on February 25, 2026, during the next Galaxy Unpacked event held in San Francisco. This location has served as the stage for Samsung's flagship announcements over the past few years, symbolizing the company's deep technological ties with the Silicon Valley. Mindset. Industry insiders claim that sales are expected to begin in early March, possibly around March 13, 2026, a Friday. In Samsung land, Fridays tend to be synonymous with flagship launches, allowing global rollouts to sync smoothly. Considering the brand's consistent 2-week window between announcement and sale, this timeline fits perfectly. And the beloved mystery box pre-order program may be making a comeback. Early adopters who place pre-orders could receive several exclusive accessories for free, such as a 65W fast charger, premium phone case, microfiber cleaning kit, and possibly even some extra store credits. Signing up via email or valid phone number could secure these rewards. A thoughtful nudge for anyone on the fence of upgrading. Will the Galaxy S26 cost more or stay the same? The burning question: will Samsung increase prices this year? This topic remains a tug-of-war among insiders. Reports from ET News initially suggested that Samsung might implement a modest price increase of between 44,000 and 88,000 Korean won, equivalent to about $31.62 United States dollars, due to rising memory costs and global inflation. Those numbers would roughly translate to $859 for the Galaxy S26, $1,059 for the S26, and $1,359 for the S26 Ultra in the US HOWEVER. Another report from Mail Business Daily contradicts those claims, suggesting that Samsung may maintain current pricing for the 4th year in a row. If that report holds true, the retail prices will remain as follows: Galaxy S26, $799 Galaxy S26 Plus, $99 Galaxy S26 Ultra, $1,299. This decision would reinforce Samsung's strategy of offering premium innovation without crossing psychological price barriers, a move likely designed to keep the brand competitive against rivals like Apple and Google. To manage internal profit margins, the company might hike the prices of its mid-tier Galaxy A series models rather than risk alienating flagship buyers. Galaxy S26's AI upgrades and new privacy display feature, of course. Samsung's 2026 flagship lineup isn't all about design and pricing. The Galaxy S26 series is gearing up to spotlight major advancements in AI capabilities and One UI 8.5 integration. Samsung is reportedly revamping Bixby, expanding real-time AI translation tools, and introducing smarter scene optimization for photography. Among the most intriguing software features leaked so far is the privacy display, a unique technology that limits viewing angles to keep your on-screen content hidden from snoopers nearby. Think of it as a digital privacy shield for your phone. According to internal versions of Samsung's Tips app, this feature is already active, hinting at deep system-level integration. What remains uncertain, however, is whether privacy display will remain an ultra-exclusive perk, or if Samsung will extend it to the S26 and S26 Plus models. Early developer testing using firmware spoofing tools suggests that it could potentially be available across all variants, though this could easily change before release. What to expect from Galaxy Unpacked 2026 longtime Samsung watcher Ice Universe claims that Galaxy Unpacked 2026 will bring the company's biggest design and AI overhaul to date. The event will likely blend dazzling stage presentations, AI-powered demo videos, and a generous dose of futuristic buzzwords that make even last year's flagship feel ancient. Hosting the event in San Francisco solidifies Samsung's commitment to pushing boundaries in both design and innovation. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to serve as a true AI hub, managing everything from personalized photography guidance to predictive app management. Users can anticipate AI scene detection, contextual productivity enhancements, and potentially even offline AI functionality thanks to new, more efficient CHIPS-ETS. Final thoughts. The countdown to Samsung's next big leap, from reimagined camera protection designs to seamless AI-infused software experiences. The Galaxy S26 Ultra looks set to redefine what a flagship smartphone can do. The combination of cutting-edge hardware, polished design, and privacy-focused innovation demonstrates how seriously Samsung is approaching 2026's competitive landscape. As the Unpacked event draws closer, the balance between evolution and revolution in the Galaxy S26 lineup becomes clearer. Samsung is refining every detail, from lens protection to intelligent displays, to ensure its top-tier device remains the gold standard for Android excellence. 4. Fans, tech enthusiasts, and early adopters alike, the Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just a phone. It's a statement, a declaration of how far smartphone technology has come and how much further Samsung intends to take it. The wait is nearly over, and the next big chapter in mobile innovation is ready to unfold.